Now, there may be a scenario where a faculty member records the video lecture, and later he or she finds out that the audio quality of the video recording was either very noisy or the amplitudes were very low. So, in order to attend the problem, I would prefer to use Avidemux as the main video editor, and I will use Audacity, an open source audio editing software, uh, to improve the audio quality. After opening the file, we need to change the audio codec to MP3, and after that we have to go to this audio menu and save the audio. The audio attached to the video will be saved as mp3 file in the working folder. Here is the uh, file we want to edit and improve the quality of. Now we have to go to Audacity, where uh, we want to edit the audio. Audacity is an open source software with very decent audio editing capabilities. Now we have to open the audio track we want to edit. Now we see that the amplitudes are very low. All we have to do is select the entire track, go to effects, and choose amplify. Now we can choose whatever amplification we want to perform. This is a sample audio recording with very low audio amplitude. Now, if you are dealing with a noisy audio, then you can remove the noise by using Audacity. All you have to do is select the silence portion where you can only listen to the noise, go to effects and noise reduction. Here you have to choose the selected portion as a noise profile. The noise profile has been selected. Now select the entire audio track, go to effect, noise reduction, and simply apply noise reduction. Now you can see major of the noise portion has been removed. We can listen to the audio. This is a test video with a very low audio. Now I can hear there is a little more hissing sound. So what I can do again, repeat the process. Simply select a portion, get noise profile, select entire audio and reduce the noise. This is a test video with a very low audio. Now as you can see that the audio has been amplified, so I will export it as mp3, and I've named it amplified. I have to save it. Now in order to attach this amplified audio track, we need to go to audio, select track. Now in Avidemux we can have four tracks for a video. Enable the second track. It will show you two options. Track 0 from the video, which is the original audio track of the video, and add audio track. We have to select add audio track, and we select the amplified track. Now both of the tracks are available for the video. We disable the default track of the video, and we have to select it, not a copy but mp3 lame. Press OK, and now the edited audio is part of this video, and we can verify it by playing the video. This is a sample audio recording with very low audio amplitude. Now all we have to do is uh, save the video, and the new video will have the enhanced and amplified sound attached to it.